Is your Joomla site vulnerable because you have some super user accounts that are still enabled but not used? Let's talk about that. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for it. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 313 here on the Basic Joomla channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. Also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even just to get you out of the spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. All right, I just spent a bunch of time today cleaning up a client site because one of the super user accounts that is on their site that hasn't been used in a long time got logged into and some malware was installed. So let's turn our attention to the screen to see what we can do to prevent such a thing happening to you. All right, so here we are in the Joomla 5 site that I have been beating up and haven't been maintaining. Let's first of all go to users and manage. Now, I only have two users on this site, and they're both super users. I added one for this tutorial. If you've got a lot of users, go up to your filter options, select group, and go to super users. And then you'll see a list of the accounts that are super users. Find any that are not being used anymore and do one of two things. First of all, if the person's gone and never going to use it again, just click this box, go up and select delete, and you will remove it. However, in the case of my client who was hacked, they had actually created a super user account for an extension developer who needed access to help work on things. But it was a long time ago and it was just sitting there. I don't know how the password was discovered or brute forced, or maybe that developer was hacked somewhere where he kept it. But if you have one of those accounts and you still want to make it available to that developer later on, you don't have to delete it. Just go ahead and click this enabled button and select blocked, and that will turn it off and they won't be able to log into it anymore. It's a good idea to look at your Joomla site every now and then and ask yourself, do I need all of these super user accounts enabled? Do I need all these super user accounts? Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.